Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Audi Q7 AC filter. First, gather your tools. You will need a Torx T20 screwdriver and, of course, a brand new cabin air filter. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. The filter is located behind the glove box on the passenger side, so let's get started there. Now, open your glove box and remove everything inside to give yourself plenty of room to work. You will find about 7 Torx T20 screws holding the glove box in place. Carefully unscrew all of them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the glove box away from the dashboard. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors attached to it, like for the glove box light. With the glove box removed, you will see the cabin air filter housing. It usually has a cover secured by 2 clips or screws. Carefully unclip or unscrew these fasteners to open the housing. Before pulling out the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on it. This is crucial for proper installation. Now, slide the old filter out and insert the new one, making sure its arrow points in the same direction. Now it is time to put everything back together. First, reconnect any electrical connectors you detached from the glove box. Then, carefully align the glove box back into its position and resecure it with all 7 Torx T20 screws. Close the glove box, and then start your vehicle to test the air conditioning system. You should immediately notice cleaner air and improved performance from your HVAC system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.